Alright, now let's talk about the nesting in Unix based system or Linux based system. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create custom aliases and make your work easy. So let's get into it. So for the creating aliases you can use the alias keyword and pass the command that you want to create, and then as a parameter you can do whatever you want to execute. So let's do it. So the problem with the some of the commands is that if I type ls, it shows the content of the directory. If I type ls la, it is very difficult to type all these as one. If I add h, if I add w, m, you can see there are a lot of parameters. So doing this manually is very hard, so you can automate the stuff. So for that you can do is you create aliases. So let's say for ls tag la, I want to create alias named ll, so which will execute the command ls tag la. And if I hit enter, now we have ls tag la. Instead of that, we can use just type ls ll, and then it will execute that. And you can override the existing command as well. So now in this case we created alias is named ll, which is going to execute ls la tag la. So it should be ls tag la. So sorry for that. Now if I type ll, it's do the same thing. It by the way, this worked because the it is kind of all auto completed stuff. So that is that. As you can see, it is automatically executing the ls tag la command. Let's see the history. As you can see, we have executed the ll, and the aliases that we create are still in the memory. So we created aliases, but the problem with these is that whenever you turn off this session, it will be destroyed. So to make this permanent, I already talked about this in the previous video. Go to the bash rc file, which is inside home and your profile. In this case it is Tauseed Zaman. So if I type ls, everything that starts with bash rc. Here we have a bash rc file. All you need is just add your aliases, and it will be called as permanent aliases. So here you can see there are already some aliases already created. So for alias, you can see ls tag a. The alias the previously we executed was uh, tag a. So it is executing ls tag la, and ll is executing ls tag a lf. So, and by the way, we overrided this because we created another one. So you can override the default. So let's say I want to execute ls tag la instead of ls. You can see it is doing this. So now let's create alias for that. So I want to execute ls tag la instead of ls. So now if I type ls, you can see it is showing the complete history and level permissions. So that's how you can create aliases in Linux or Bash Unix based systems.